Okay, welcome back everyone to Punlok channel. Today I have the importance of the formula electrical calculates in my channel. And this video for the I upload for the foreigner to watching and how to calculate. And the first important title is how to calculate and find kilowatts formula by engineer YouTube. Of the notification and knowledge that I upload from my own channel. Also, what do you want to know from us? And easy to use to actual on the work with the electrical engineering. Okay, let's go with me. Okay, this is my service. Everyone can be go to my official engineer, and on YouTube also you can research and you can get more much service from me. Okay, let's go to next slide. And this one is the formula 3 parts and 1 part, or I will show on next slide, and then I will give all of you how to calculate and how to use with the calculator and make sure with the actual value from the calculator. Okay. In the for formula for explanation to everyone to calculate and understand about okay, we can find kilowatt minute from calculation. The formula is kilowatt or weight is divide the 1000. Okay. Everyone can be see the formula that I show on the slide. Okay, this one also, but the last line, I mean 308. I want I mean the one line and second line, but not line. Okay, this one is the big half individual. You can use this one from the big part other one individual. Then we can use the formula for calculate on the loads that everyone must know about the kilowatt in the motor and actual kilowatt on the motor with the electricity also. This one is the homeworks that I will show all of you how to calculate on next slide. Okay. Yeah. This one also. Okay. I will show on the yes. Okay. I have the slide of the answer with the slide already, and everybody can be understand. And I also make the example one I mean one homework to everyone, easy to understand. Yes. Okay, let's go to the homework. Yeah, this is the first homework. I will use the calculator for everyone to calculate on this one. Okay, I will use this one. The value of the current voltage for voltage. How to use the formula Okay, I will explain